Alright guys, here's my Scratch getting started video again. All these instructions are on Canvas, but I have a lot of people who are struggling, so I'm making this video. If you don't want to use Canvas or don't know how, you can still get by with just 2 websites and an email address, and I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to go through these steps. If you want to read these, you can pause. Those kind of the outline of this video. But let's go show you real quick. Please, Scratch can make some pretty cool games. I made this for my daughter a couple years ago. Really simple. Used some sprites from the internet, sounds from the internet. Yeah, I mean, any project you find on the Scratch website, you can always go back and see inside the project and view the code. So let's go get started. The 2 websites you're going to need to be able to do Scratch.
I wonder what's in that chest.
Oh, wow, I got to stop that game. You got to go Google the word Scratch. Okay. Oh. The first link, Google wants to be a little too helpful. The first link will take you to the Scratch website. Click here. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little angry because I've tried to... Yeah, this video is not going to do anything because some people just can't figure it out, but whatever, maybe it'll help. I'm logged in. I need to sign out. Okay. When you come to the Scratch webpage, this is what you'll see. You need to look at a few projects and see things other people have made, and then you're going to join Scratch, unless you already have an account. When you join Scratch, you need a valid username that somebody else hasn't taken, and you need to type a password twice. I recommend your lunch number with 3 zeros, but I can't help you change your password. And if you forget all this, you'll have to make a new account later. So I've had students get their accounts deleted if they include their real names. So I'm going to use first initial, last initial, Uinta, and maybe my year of birth on the end. Okay, and we'll see if that one's taken. And I'll do a password, which is my lunch number. And I'll add 3 zeros. And I'm going to hit next. I'm not really going to use that as my password. All right, choose your country. Next. Your year of birth. Whatever. Use your real year of birth. They're probably going to ask you that. Choose your gender. And this part's important. You need your valid email address. Okay, so if you don't already have a Scratch account associated with your uinta.net email, you would put your email right there. Okay. You don't want to get their spam, but we do need to be able to create. Okay, so we're gonna hit create. Once we've hit create, it will take us into our Scratch account, and if we go hit create, some of you have already made some projects. You're going to hit the create button, and you can start making Scratch stuff here. There's a few tutorials here and stuff. A lot of buttons, a little bit scary at first. Now, when I am done with this project, I want to share it. And let me just go get... All right, so pretend I do some code. I make the cat do something. Let's just really quickly point out, all your tutorials, you Google the word Scratch and gone to that website, you're also going to Google the word CS first. It's computer science first, and click on the word curriculum. If you click on the first link, you'll have to go click on the word curriculum here. And we're going to scroll all the way down, almost to the bottom to where it says game design. Mr. Grammer has provided a link for some of you, for people on Canvas, but a lot of people can't find Canvas evidently. So you come to this link, and there are 8 projects here. I'm going to collapse these. There's 8 projects, one for each week of the class. And if you open these up, there's some questions and some discussions and some videos that teach you how to do it. You're going to click on add-ons. Sorry, you do not need an account here. Do not make one here. You're going to click on add-ons. and choose 3 of the add-ons for every project. Okay, and I've said this in a previous video, so I'm not going to go too much into that. But once you've followed all the videos and done the assignment, this is nothing like that. You're actually going to remix on this one. Let me choose a character. The video will teach you how to remix. Choose Activity 1 Starter Project. You'll open it in Scratch, and then you're going to hit the Remix button when it opens, the green one. That lets you copy all this stuff, and note that your character has several different costumes you can choose from. That's all in the videos. So I'm going to hit Remix. And even though I'm remixed, and I'm not done, when I hit play, nothing happens right now. I still have to add text and a background and some words and stuff. But I need to be able to share this project. And this is, I assume, where several people are getting stuck. So please watch carefully on this part. When you hit share, it will either say the project is shared or that you need to validate your email address first. Okay, so my email address is validated, so it's green now. And if I go back to the project, there is no share button anymore. It says shared. If your project does not say shared, then I can't grade it. Okay, so just I'm gonna probably, I don't know how to scream that 100 times, but everybody's turning in stuff that I can't see, and you're going to get 0 points if I can't grade it. Okay, so assuming here's the other thing: if your email address doesn't work, if you can't confirm it, there is an option to resend the email, the confirmation email, to get it, so you can share stuff. If you still can't do that, you're going to need to make a new account with probably a different email address until you can share stuff, because I can't grade stuff that I can't see. Now, the very end of this video, right now, I'm going to show you how to get me Mr. Grammer projects, even if you can't share or don't know how to share, or your email address is broken or something. Okay, so there's 2 ways we're going to do it. Both of them are going to involve downloading or saving our Scratch file to our computer. Okay, so I go File, Save to my computer. This is only when I'm done with this entire lesson, with all of Unit 1, which is the gaming story. So once you followed all the videos and made your choices, you're ready to turn it in. You're going to go download, and because this was called Gaming Story Start, it named it Gaming Story Start when I downloaded it. Okay. Now, if you have done these in an account that's locked or that can't share, you can't make it public or something, that the shared button never shows up, you can download these files and then start a new account with a different email address. I mean, it's weird how many people can figure out how to activate an account when they want Spotify, but when it comes to doing assignments, all of a sudden it's impossible. But you're going to make a new account if you have to, and then you can load from your computer. You're going to basically go find those Scratch files that you downloaded, and on a PC, most of them will go in the downloads folder. There's my Gaming Story Starter Project Remix. You could upload that or load it off of your computer back up to your new account. Now, and when you're done, you're going to go See Project Page. You're going to cut this link up here, or copy it, and you're going to send it to Mr. Grammer. Okay? People who can read will put it in Canvas. There is a link here, a discussion here called Gaming 1 Story Submissions. You're kind of come in here and you're going to paste a reply down here. Oh, where's the reply button? It's up here, sorry. And here's my project. If it has anything weird, like press F button for a joke or something like that, or anything that they need to know, it's about dogs, whatever, you're going to paste that link there. And a lot of people have pasted their link and walked away and didn't double check that somebody else could log into it. Let me show you 2 ways to double check. Okay, here's what I see. I see, whoops, our server is scratching its head when somebody hasn't shared it. This looks like a valid link. It's got some numbers at the end for the project, but I can't see it. Now, remember, if you open this, you can see it because it's your account and you're logged in. But I can't see it, and I can't grade a project I can't see. So you could sign out and then try to copy this link, sign out, and go paste it again to see if you can see it. But all you really had to do was check and see if it said shared at the top. Okay? If it said shared, you're good to go. If it says share in orange, then you haven't shared it and I can't see it. Again, I'm saying this over and over again because, yeah, it's annoying. I'm in high school, right? This is not high school stuff. So once you've shared it and sent me the link on Canvas, or if you really don't like Canvas or can't get on Canvas, you can just email me this link, okay? Copy the link, sign into your student email, and email mark.grammer@uinta.net, and I will grade the link you send me to give you points for each of the 8 projects. The final thing is if you cannot share the project, if this link doesn't work and your email can't ever get validated, you can email me the file we just downloaded. If you're on a Mac or a Chromebook, you'll have to look for it. I don't know where it goes. You'll have to Google where do downloads go, which folder do downloads go to on a Mac or a Chromebook, and you'll have to go to your Gmail address, your student Gmail, and let's go do that real quick, I guess. You're going to compose a new email. There we go. And you're going to do it to mark.grammar. And don't do this if you can post the link in the class. You just say gaming story scratch one project, whatever. And all I want you to do is attach that file that you just downloaded. So in my PC, it's in the downloads folder, and they're not very big. It's pretty small. I'll just sort by date modified. There it is. It's 3 megabytes, and you send me that file, and I'll grade it. I'm desperate to give grades to people. This is not high school level stuff. This is grade school level stuff, and some people still are struggling with it. So if you are struggling, send me an email and I'll tell you which timestamp in this video answered your question. And if you're watching it, thank you for watching it. I'm having a lot of people who aren't watching anything, and there's only one grade I can give people who don't turn anything in. And hopefully that's not you. We'll see you later on.